Hi, my name is Ben Parslow and I'm an aerospace engineer at the University of Manchester, and we're here in our new engineering building. I'm joined by Jules Pottle.
I'm a primary science teacher, but I also write books for children on primary science to help teachers help them learn about science. So we're here today because we have got a really great fun thing to do, Ben. You've got a glider for us to make. Can you show us how to make the glider?
Absolutely. So it's quite simple really. So it has three different parts. So it has the fuselage, which is this long stick along the middle. It has the wing, which is the bit we're familiar with. And it's got this fin sticking up at the top. And the back part of the fuselage is called the tailplane.
Okay, now you've made yours out of foam board, but we might make them out of something different, but there'll be some kind of template for you to use so that everybody can make a similar one. Now, what sort of a test are we going to do with our glider?
So what we're going to do with these today is we're going to try and keep everything the same between all the different gliders. So all the sizes and shapes are all going to stay the same. But one thing we are going to change is the position of the ballast. Now the ballast is this weight that I've just got here at the front. And what you can do is you can move this weight around forwards and backwards, or you can add more weights to different parts of the aircraft, and that will change how it flies. And what's really important with an aircraft like this is whereabouts it balances, and you can check the balance just on your fingers like this by balancing it. Here I'm balancing it around the middle of the wing.
Yeah.
And if I add more ballast to the back, it will tip that way, and more ballast to the front, it will tip this way.
So ballast is like if somebody was going to fly that glider, they'd be extra weight on the plane, and it makes a difference as to where you put them.
Absolutely, that's why we get asked to sit in certain places when we go onto a plane.
I see. So that sounds really exciting. We're going to find out where moving the ballast backwards or forwards makes a difference to how well the plane flies. Well, I think you need to show us how to fly this glider so that all our children at home can take part in our Great Glider Challenge.
So now we're going to do our gliding experiments. Now the important thing is how you launch the glider. You need to hold it in the fuselage in the middle and hold the glider high up above your head. And what you're trying to do is launch it downwards into a dead straight line. If you launch it too quickly, it will climb up in the air, and if you launch it too slowly, it will go downwards. And if you get it just right, it will go dead straight ahead. All right, so let's try that now, everyone. So if you hold the glider up in the air, and we'll launch on 3. Ready, 1, 2, 3.